Hey folks, drying this roll of filament for 6 hours inside my little print area spiked the VOCs. And the way that I know this is because I monitor the room with this AirGradient ONE monitor. Now, if you've seen some of my videos, you already know that I'm protecting myself from my printers using these HEPA filters that also have the activated carbon in them. And the printers themselves generate very low VOCs and very low particles. I'm not very concerned about that. But drying the filament in this small space in a modified food dehydrator spikes the VOCs, and you can see it right here in this graph by that red spike across 6 hours. That's incredible. I didn't even know I was doing it. But that raised the alarm that I need to do something about this space. And it is a small space. It is tight. It's not easy to vent outside. So I bought this Levoit air purifier. I did not get sponsored. I bought this and I decided I would test it. This is big enough to do my whole house. So I ran a complete other roll of filament, a brand new roll, 2 identical rolls. I ran one without it, with nothing else running in the room. Then I ran a second one, running it with this Levoit on fan speed of 2. And you can see right here in this graph, across that 6 hours, the VOCs were very low. It stayed green and never even got into the amber. So far, I'm giving this definitely a thumbs up rating. Again, it could cover my whole house, and yet I am controlling this small space on fan speed of 2, drying filament. Something you want to watch out for. And if you're interested in this Levoit, I'll leave an Amazon affiliate link. I'm just sharing. So far, this thing works amazing. And you can monitor it remotely, just the same way as I monitor the room remotely with that AirGradient ONE. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any questions or concerns, please, I'd love to hear the feedback in the comments. If you want to see the research that I did with that AirGradient ONE, the video's right here.